I created this campaign back in 2023 with consolidated campaign structure with a small budget of £80 per day. This campaign has seen a lot of ups and downs, but this campaign managed itself back whenever it's down because of foundational optimizations I did. I will be sharing all those optimizations later in this case study. So this campaign worked with the brand and competitor exclusions only. So I leveraged this campaign specifically for new customers only. As you can see, the spikes in cost and revenue. Let's look closer in smaller time frames. As you can see, cost, revenue and ROS has never been the same every day, every week, every month. Why? Because we cannot control what happens outside the Google Ads that affects campaign and store revenue, but we can control what happens inside Google Ads. As I wanted to scale, I couldn't rely on a single campaign, so I went from consolidation to segmentation, and now the whole account is running on performance bucketing. But this campaign was my main focus of area. This campaign would have the best selling segment if the account strategy is segmentation, and this campaign would have the best sellers like elites, regulars if the account strategy is performance bucketing. So here we are with £1 million in revenue from a single shopping campaign. Here is the strategy. There is no secret to 5x because this campaign is running with the 5x target ROS, which means this campaign sometimes spent conservatively or sometimes openly, depend on the demand on the other side. Another reason to maintain 5x because this campaign has the best selling bundle with a price of 3x is other products. CPA is the same, but it generated more revenue with good ROS. It was a neat trick for me to push this campaign into something new level. There was a time when this campaign would struggle to generate 5x. So I would have to optimize the target ROS by decreasing it, or sometime there would be limitations for the spending. So I would have to restrict the spending by increasing the target ROS. So these all was upper level decision making and optimizations. Let's get into product optimizations. In shopping ads, margin center feed is your keyword targeting, creatives, audience, everything. If you manage it to optimize it well, you are definitely going to win with Google Ads. So how did I optimize the shopping feed? Let's get into that. Margin center feed is crucial and it has a lot of attributes, but you don't have to optimize every attribute to generate results. But there are some attributes that you have to definitely optimize, like titles. So how did I optimize the titles? I enriched the titles with gender, product name, keywords, size, color and brand. These are the information that a customer needs and they will be searching for in Google Shopping. So if someone is searching for specific product with specific color or a keyword, you are definitely going to show up there. Another attribute is descriptions. So description has the same data as titles, but it has extra details about the product, how it works and rest of the stuff. But still, titles and products information is matching to convince the algorithm that product is relevant to search query. And that is a very good strategy. Another attribute is product type. It has some general keywords from that product niche, followed by more and then specific keyword and some keyword stuffing, which makes the product listing more relevant to the machine. As I always say, feed the algorithm, algorithm will feed you. So another attribute is product category. It's the Google taxonomy. If you look up in Google, you will see which product needs exactly which category. There is another attribute, short title. You can send a short title to product listings but still you can leverage that too by stuffing gender, product name, size and color. It will keep the super relevancy in your listings. Another is images and lifestyle images. Both are the same attributes but little different, but still these are most important. Your image decides whether the user is going to click on your product or not. So here I have a high resolution and lifestyle images for the customers, and the rest of attributes are age group, size, material, gender and color. So this was the apparel brand, and these attributes are more crucial and more important for the user search queries. So here is how fee optimization can really change your Google Ads results. Here's what I did: optimize bidding, budget and shopping feed. I did nothing else. And another thing I would like to add, I can't take all the credit for the results because there was a multi-channel strategy involved, and most credit goes to business owner who comes up with the products with specific pricings that they know that will work with pairing with a good marketing strategy.